Hello, my name is Dell, and I will be briefly speaking about my personal experience with learning Python through online NC Labs. So, I have found it to be a very easy and intuitive, user-friendly system. It's made using and pursuing Python on my own a lot of fun, and I've learned a lot. It's also very well designed for people who are busy, work, have busy careers, or anything of the such. It could be used from any computer. It doesn't have to be downloaded. It uses a cloud system, so you work, send information, sends it right back to you, just like Google. And the information comes at you in chunks. You're never tasked with this large task, daunting task at once. A unit begins, and you read a little bit of information, and you're given some examples very in depth, and you can step through the code step by step to see what's happening, why, where, exactly how it's happening. And then from there, you're tasked with a small task, writing something of your own, writing a function. Or when it starts off, I'm in unit 4 of almost completed the introductory course, and then I'm planning on starting the advanced course. And when it starts off, it's very rudimentary, so you get a grasp at the beginning. And there are all sorts of levels on there. There's introductory computer programming course if you've never had any at all, which I would recommend before Python. There's Python, Advanced Python, and many, many others. And as far as NC Labs goes, it's definitely one of the most user-friendly learning interfaces I've ever used. Um, I took although I'm doing this on my own, I took a programming course through a university a long time ago, and it was very rigorous and too much information at once. And had it been structured like this, it would have been much more enjoyable, and I would have learned a lot more. So the way NC Labs does that is very, they've done a very good job at executing that. I mean, nothing's perfect, right? But they've done a very good job at executing that properly. And if you do get stuck, there are hints and templates where maybe you try something for 30, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour, you're not understanding, you can use a hint, and then from there you can do a template that will actually give you the answer, and you can then work on your own to fill it in. So you will learn from that answer. It saves your code. You can move areas of code from one place to another, so you can visualize it. It's a very friendly system, and I would highly recommend it. I definitely plan on taking more from NC Labs. And I hope that was helpful. It's whatever you're an institution, I think it would be great for use on the job if, for example, you could get a pay raise or promotion for learning Python, or a company you work for starts using Python, or you just want to use it on your own. Whatever the reason, NC Labs is a wonderful learning platform. And that is all. Thank you for your time.